Then we go for the attachment. So if isn't empty, this underscore attachments, then if count, and I'm going to copy these attachments here, is more than 1, then we're going to be looping through them for each these attachments as item. And we go for object part equals new ZendMail part, and we go for file get contents, and it's going to be item file. Then we go for mime equals helper get mime type item file again. And now object part type equals mime, and then we have object part disposition equals zend mime, and then we go for the constant disposition underscore attachment to indicate what kind of disposition it's going to be. If we scroll down, now we also need to provide the encoding parameter as well, property object part encoding, and we're going to be encoding this message using base 64 ZendMail encoding underscore base 64, and then we have object part again, file name equals item name. Then we go for attachments. Let me just scroll up and copy the name of this array parts, and we add in our object part. Now this is obviously if if there's more than just one item in the array, else we're going to do slightly different approach. We're going to start with the file equals this. Let me just copy this again. This attachments, and we're looking for the first item, and then its file index. And if I copy all this, paste it underneath, this time we're looking for the name, and the variable name will also be name. Okay, object part equals new ZendMail part file get contents. We're going for file, then we go for mime equals helper get mime type file, then object part type equals mime, then we have object part disposition equals ZendMail, and then constant disposition underscore attachment. Then we have object part encoding equals ZendMail encoding base 64. Then we have object part file name equals name, and then if I just copy this line from above here, attachments equals parts. Basically we add into array. So that's our attachments parts.